Hi guys, so today we're showing you how to apply the Mite liquid seaweed organic fertilizer onto the lawn using our Oregon backpack sprayer. Now we purchased these items as part of our lawn care shopping list video that which we created. So the idea is that I buy these products, and if you want to follow along you can also buy the products, and then we apply together and I explain how to apply them to your lawn. We've already done a video on setting up the sprayer and talking about the weed killer and the warnings and precautions. It's quite an in-depth video, that one, because there's a lot of things you need to be thinking about when it comes to applying weed killer to your lawn. There are lots of different things that can affect the outcome and things which could go wrong, so I give my warnings on that. Then we did a triple rinse to rinse out the sprayer, ready for any future applications of whatever we're going to put down. So now we're talking about getting some seaweed onto the lawn. So here we've got this Mite Nature's Own liquid seaweed organic fertilizer. Now I've had a quick look at this. You can apply this every 2 weeks to your lawn. Now the benefits, so you can vary the concentration, but seaweed's full of carbohydrates to help the plant, and it helps aeration in the soil, especially in clay soils, so it's worth getting some seaweed on if you have clay lawns. Okay, so directions. So trees and plants 2 times a week ideally, depending on soil type, plant type, etc. So realistically 10 ml per litre of water upwards, depending on the application, and increase as required. So grass 50 ml per litre. Alright, now I know this lawn, if we go over it once, will use about 4 litres. So if we put 200 ml of seaweed into 4 litres and walk across the lawn spraying, it doesn't matter if we hit plants or anything else like that with this, it's not a problem. This is just food. It is just a good organic tonic for the plant. So that is it. Store in a cool and dark place. Guidelines only. Shake well before use. Okay, so what we need to do, we have our sprayer here. I'm going to put 4 litres of that in there, and I'm going to put 250 millilitres 200 millilitres of seaweed in, and it won't harm if you put too much in or a little bit too little, so don't worry too much. Okay, so let's go over and get this filled up. Because I've got this filtering splashing up. I never normally bother with the filters, although you should protect your eyes. If you wear eye protection or you turn your head away, that'll serve me well, although I'm not saying you should. So now we want 250 ml of the seaweed. Okay, This is 5 litres. So we need something to measure the 250 ml. So just bear with me a second. Okay, so I've got a measuring jug here, and we can see where 250 ml is. It's a very seaweedy, sea sort of smell. Now that's almost perfect. It's just over 200, so that's fine. So I'm going to put this on every twice a week, I think. You can. 2 times a week. It's personal choice. See how your lawn looks, and you can always put it on once a month, but putting it on regular is just going to benefit the lawn. Everything's on nice and tight. You want to give it a bit of a shake to mix up. Okay, so now we're just going to walk over the lawn multiple times until this has all been used up, and there we have applied our seaweed. You know, when you're treating your own lawn, you're quite fortunate really, because you get to put products on as often as you wish, and as a service we only get to treat lawns once every couple of months, every 10 weeks. So people are generally missing out on those extra little improvements that you can make. So I'm just going to walk over the lawn, pumping with my left hand and right hand, squeezing the trigger, and it'll come out around a 1.2 metre width. I'm just going to walk up and down the lawn and try not to overlap too much. Again, try not to hit your plants, but it won't harm. If you've triple rinsed your sprayer from using a weed killer, it won't harm. But if you have weed killer residue in there and you haven't cleaned it out properly, beware, because there's every chance you're going to kill plants, fish, things like that. You have to have your wits around you. If you are only putting seaweed on with one of these sprayers, then you don't have anything to fear. Now obviously, measuring your lawn, you need to know your lawn size, and that can be done by stepping out rough meters, or you can use a tape measure, or you can get a measuring wheel. If you've got different parts of lawns in different places, break it up into sections. This is one section, a piece going around there is another section. Write them all down to get your total square meterage. If you have funny shapes like triangles, make out it's a square that's double size and then do it in half. So guys, there you have it. How to apply seaweed to your lawn. And we've used the Oregon backpack sprayer. So in another video, we're going to be showing you how to apply the A1 Lawn Ultimate Spring Summer Lawn Fertilizer. We already have a video that shows you how to apply Weedol Lawn Weed Killer, which we've done in a video, and we also show you how to set up the backpack sprayer. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Please give us a thumbs up if you've liked this video. Please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot.